Hello, this is Russ, N4RTD for Spurious Emissions, and I'm out here at Lake Shipp Park in Winter Haven, Florida for the Lake Wales Radio Amateurs QRP event. It's a rather chilly morning here. We're all wearing jackets, and it is winter field day, so I guess that's appropriate. Hoping that the sun comes out today, but we're doing an APRS focus today. We always have a tailgate tech event at each one of the QRPs, as well as a normal HF operating QRP. So enjoy the video, and we'll all try and stay warm. So what are we running today?
We're running FT8 on an ICOM 705, 10 meters.
10 meters.
And 10 watts.
And 10 watts, all right.
With a buddy pole.
With a buddy pole?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yep. And got a couple of contacts already this morning. And I'm listening. I've got it turned up just a little bit. Sounds like old dial-up, but I just want to make sure it hasn't cut out on me.
And your name and call sign?
Dale Strange, KO4ZV.
All right, and get your buddy pole set up, and very nice. Thank you very much. Well, I suppose if they need it, somebody could be operating on a generator today. So let's see what they're running over under this cover.
Yeah, well, that'll be good. You're doing pretty good. There's somebody else in there trying to talk over you, but I can understand you pretty good.
Most of the guys in Collinsville.
Collar's
Well,
up
it's
and
nice
faded.
talking to you. How's the weather doing up here? It's kind of cold down in Florida today, over.
Well, let me tell you something. It's warm in Florida compared to here. It's going to be close to freezing or a little bit above that. Okay, Chad. Noise level was about 7 or 8, so there's somebody else in there, but I can hear you good. Go ahead.
Okay, really good. You got a good signal down here in the woods, and we're doing pretty good. We got a QRP set up, and I'm running a double bazooka on 20 meters, over.
Well, that's good. You're getting through there, so that's unbelievable. You guys are all right. Have you contacted anybody else, son?
No, you're the first one. I'm not used to running low power. I'm running a kilowatt most of the time, over.
Well, I got myself a little while here. That's all right, Jack. But you guys are doing good.
Okay, real good. Have you talked to Steve down at the Cape today?
You can bring off
truly functional 80 meter
You have a wonderful day.
And so I told her, I said, email, I said, I never got your first email.
Good morning, D. This is Sonny, W4 Echo X-Ray. Here in Zephyr Hills, Florida, we started out in the 40s, about 43. I think it's about 52 now at the present time. Mostly sunny.
Let's go over and see what Dan's doing way over there. So what are we running today, Dan? W5 DBH?
FT8.
FT8, okay.
Made 2 contacts on 10 meter.
10 meter, okay. Well, there is somebody else running FT8, one of the first stations I looked at earlier, and he's running FT8 on 10 meters also. So if you get a really strong signal in there, you'll know who it is.
Yes.
And we're using the G90, all right.
Yep.
Okay, so what we have going on today is, along with the regular QRP event, we are doing what we call our tailgate tech. And sometimes we set up a D-Star station, answer questions about D-Star. Sometimes we set up APRS or DMR or some other mode that interests technicians too. Sometimes we'll set up a 10-meter ham station. So we'll do this. We call it the tailgate tech portion. So today we're running an APRS station. It's a very simple APRS station. It's running off of a TYT MDUV380 into a DigiRig, a very small little interface that you can get for about $45. And with that little DigiRig interface and the PC, we're running a full APRS station. This will allow us to send messages if we'd like to, and receive messages as well. A lot of people have, let's say, an Anytone HT. They can use this. Some models do not receive messages, but this one here is simply a beacon. And a radio like this will allow you to get on the APRS map, but won't allow you to receive the APRS messaging. But you can get radios like the Yaesu FTM 300, 400, and the FTM series radios, as well as a number of others that will allow you to do the full messaging, receive and transmit your location on the APRS map. And you'll find our station today on aprs.fi and with our call sign N4RTD-7. So we do these little tailgate pieces. We have ways for people, if they're interested in getting in our amateur radio emergency service program, as well as for new hams. We get folks who show up from the community who might be interested in amateur radio, and we have information on how they can get started in this great hobby. Thanks for watching today. The kid's thinking about getting their ham license?
Yes.
All right. How old is he? What's your name? David? David, nice to meet you. And good luck in getting your ham radio license.
You know how when we're driving, like to take Robbie to work, there's that part where there's no cell phone signal? So the radios will still work, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What's your question?
To change the frequency, on this one, there's a dial up at the top, and I can move the dial, and I can change what frequency it's on. On that one, if you want to walk over to that radio there, and that's a ICOM IC705. See that little dot on the? Go ahead and move that. Go ahead and move that knob there.
Put your finger in
Yeah, go ahead and put your hole there, and then turn to the right, and you can tune in and find somebody talking.
Numbers changing?
See, and you hear, okay, when you hear somebody, so go to the left again.
Go back to the left.
And when you hear somebody, slow down because you'll start to be able to tune them in.
Did you hear that?
There you go. Almost had somebody
Go
there.
back the other way. Go back the other way slowly. Go back the other way. Hold on. I think they stopped. But see, you can spin through the frequencies, and when you hear somebody, you slow it down. You tune them in until you can pick them up.
And there's a little scope on there in the bottom, and if you go to the left, you'll see some even stronger
Yeah, see.
signals.
See down here?
Yep.
See the signals that are popping up? And we're gonna bring them to that line. Yep. Now see when I get those lines there. So you want to do it? Okay. All right, go the other way. Kind of stop there. I can change it.
I've been outdone on the donuts. Somebody brought Krispy Kremes.
Yeah. Apple cream and Boston cream.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, young fella, how you doing?
Good. How are you doing? All right. So he's firing up the generator.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna make some hot dogs.
Cook hot dogs, but he's not making fire, he's making electric.
So we can run the radios off batteries, but we need a generator for hot dogs.
Yeah.
All right. So just so we're clear on that.
He didn't bring a grill for hot dogs, he brought a hot plate. He's going to fry hot dogs.
Well, that's all right.
That's against the law.
It.
You can't fry a hot dog.
No, I think you can't put ketchup on a hot dog. I think that's the rule.
He's going to take extension
This puts out 120 volts.
Okay. Awesome.
It actually runs the power supply and then runs the radio. We don't know how long it'll last, and
Don't know unless you try it. That's why we bring
what
this
we're
gear
doing.
out here.
That's what
So,
we're doing.
all right, well,
Then we
good.
got the generator to run the hot plate.
Generators to run the hot plate. All right, sounds great.